In the heart of our community, true craftsmanship is more than just a skill, it's a lifelong dedication. Born in Jordan and discovering his passion at just 13 years old, Aiman Nasrawi brought his old world artistry to the United States in 1989. After honing his craft at Nordstrom's Fine Jewelry, he founded Aquamarine Jewelers in 1996, building a reputation for magic custom designs and undetectable repairs. Now a staple of Carmichael's Five Points Plaza, Aiman's impact reaches far beyond the jewelry case through his tireless support of local nonprofits and organizations. For his exceptional mastery, unwavering integrity, and deep commitment to the area, the Carmichael Chamber of Commerce is proud to name Aiman Nasrawi the 2026 Businessman of the Year. Aiman Nasrawi, a master jeweler, a community pillar, and truly your jeweler for life.